I will show you how to transform a simple headshot into a beautiful festive Christmas portrait using AI. No advanced editing skills required. Let's get into it. First, you need a clean photo of yourself, like this one of mine. There should be good lighting, face clearly visible, neutral expression or slight smile, no filters, and simple background. This helps the AI to understand your facial features clearly, so the final image looks like you and not a weird cousin version. Next, go to Google Gemini and upload the photo. Following this, enter the following prompt. Create an 8K Christmas portrait of me with long, wavy brown hair, looking directly at the camera with a confident expression. I'm wearing a festive red beret, a thick cream-colored knitted scarf, a matching long, cozy coat, and red knit gloves with white heart patterns on the palms. I also wear red over-the-knee socks. I'm seated on the hood of a classic red Volkswagen Beetle, decorated with Christmas garlands and small lights. The background is a softly blurred snowy forest with dark trees, suggesting a winter afternoon or twilight. The overall lighting is soft and festive, highlighting both me and the car. Keep my facial features consistent with the uploaded photo. What's happening here is we're telling the AI the style, the mood, the scene, the outfit, and even the camera angle. This is how we get something way beyond just swapping a background. After entering the prompt, click Enter. As we wait for the results, I want to let you know that I have compiled a complete collection of 35 copy and paste Nano banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. And just like that, here is the transformation. From a simple headshot to an elaborate Christmas photo with story, mood, and personality. You didn't have to pose with a real car, find a snowy forest, or buy props. Your words built the scene. When you get your results, carefully ask these questions. Does the hair color match? Are the gloves correct? Maybe the scarf is too thin or the car is too dark? Just tweak your prompt. Some easy way to tweak the image is to simply command Google Gemini to make the red beret slightly larger, increase Christmas lights' brightness, make the snow softer, and the background darker. These small revisions help the AI refine the world around you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to download the free 35 copy and paste Nano banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. Inside this free guide, you get 10 holiday ambiance prompts, 10 color correction prompts, 10 decor and weather prompts, and 5 family portrait fixes. All of these prompts you can use immediately in Nano Banana.